Hey there, on the SAT hard module, traditional algebra can be a massive speed bump. Today, we are tackling three of the most brutal nonlinear equation questions, and we are skipping the algebra part completely. I am going to show you how to hijack Desmos to solve all these three questions in seconds. So let's pull up the first question. X minus 5 whole square equal to minus 16. How many distinct real solutions does the given equation have? Distinct real solutions. We'll head on straight to Desmos and we'll actually type this question because that's what you're going to do in the SAT exam. X minus 5 whole square equal to minus 16. So that is the question, and what are we looking for? Distinct real solutions. So distinct real solutions means the points where this particular equation should be either touching the x-axis or cutting the x-axis. So those are the points that we are interested in. So let us, once we enter this equation, we are not seeing anything on Desmos, as you can see. So but please don't panic. If this is the situation, what you need to do is you need to change this equation a little bit, tweak it like this, bring this minus 16 which is sitting on the right hand side of the equation to the left hand side of the equation, so that makes it plus 16, and we end up with 0 on the right hand side. So then you will be able to see an equation. Okay, remove this 0 if you're not seeing anything, and now you will be able to see it. So if you see this equation, you can observe that this particular graph which is there is not touching the x-axis. So this particular graph does not have any real solution at all. So that is going to be your answer. So let's head back to our question. How many distinct real solutions does this have? 0. That is the answer, because this particular graph is not touching the x-axis. So let's go to the next question. 4 into modulus of 7 minus x plus 2 into modulus of 7 minus x is equal to 42. How do we do this problem in the most efficient way? Head on to Desmos. And let's erase the past memories from Desmos, and let's type this one. 4 absolute value of 7 minus x plus 2 absolute value of 7 minus x. 7 minus x equals to 42. So what is the question? What is the possible, okay, let us see the question again. What is the positive solution to the given equation? So what we are interested is, again, when this graph cuts the x-axis, that's what we are interested. So let's head back to Desmos and see where this particular graph is cutting the x-axis. We can see from here, from this graph, that at this point and this point, the graph is cutting the x-axis, but the Desmos is not giving us the exact 2 points. So what we do? Tweak this equation like this. Again, bring back this 42 which is sitting on the right hand side towards the left hand side. So I will do it here itself so that we can save some time. So if you bring the 42 which is on the right hand side towards the left hand side, it becomes minus 42. So now you can see Desmos is giving you the 2 points. And the question is, what is the positive solution to the equation? The positive solution, this solution is 14, this solution is 0. So the positive solution has to be x equal to 14. So the positive solution is x equal to 14. That's it, we are done. Next. So this we have solved with Desmos. This also we have solved with Desmos. The only catch here is you need to bring this minus 16 towards the left hand side, and also bring 42 towards the left hand side, and then you will be getting the equation, the solution. So let's go to the last question of this video. So this is the equation that we have. This is a quadratic, minus 4x square plus 28x plus c. C is not given to you. In the given equation, c is a constant. Okay, the equation has exactly one solution. So he's suggesting us that this quadratic which is there has only one solution. That means this quadratic should touch x-axis at exactly 1 point. What is the value of c? What is the best way to solve this problem? Desmos. Let's head on to Desmos. Let's erase the past memories. Now, shall we type this equation? Minus 4x square plus 28x plus c. Add the slider. Let's make Desmos more visible. As always, I would suggest you to change this slider to minus 100 to plus 100 so that we have a lot of space to move around. Now we want only one solution. So we want this parabola to touch the x-axis at exactly 1 point. I think we got it. Let us zoom in and see if we are actually there. I think we are there. Now, once again, read the question carefully. Is asking you the value of c. The value of c is right here. C equal to minus 49. C equal to minus 49 is the answer. So there you go. So let's quickly recap what we have done. So this question we have typed it in Desmos and we have not got anything. So what did we do? We have just brought this minus 16 towards the left hand side and we have not equated it to 0. We have just typed this equation and we have got our answer. Next, what we have done, we have given the same treatment here. We have just brought 42 towards the left hand side and we have not equated it to 0 and we have got the solution, what we are looking for. And then what we have done here also we have just typed this equation and we have set the slider to minus 100 to plus 100 for c, and then we have got the answer as minus 49. And if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more SAT speed hacks. And if you are looking for elite math level training to crush your target score, head over to bhargavacademy.com and see what we are building there. Keep grinding and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.